Go carpet cleaning in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Testimonials. We're amongst the highest-rated carpet cleansing business in the metro Atlanta region, and we're devoted to fighting stainings and bacteria with safe and environment-friendly services. We work hard, and we use effective steam cleansing tools such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet and into every nook and cranny, so we can provide a complete, thorough carpet cleaning service. Our carpet cleaning services in Lawrenceville are thorough and safe, and we work to guarantee our customers are pleased before we leave any job. Let's take a look at some of our reviews.
We bought a puppy for Christmas, and having carpet in my teen daughter's room became a problem while potty training. Go Carpet Cleaning did an awesome job. You cannot even tell, and it looks brand new again.
We were pleased with this company and gal. He is responsive and effective, and so is now my go-to contractor for my carpet needs. You would be pleased too.
We have great news. We do more than carpet cleaning. Cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. Learn more about Lawrenceville. The urban area of Lawrenceville is located in Gwinnett County, Georgia, USA. It is likewise a suburb of Atlanta, and it has 6 zip codes. The city is named after Commodore James Lawrence, commander during the War of 1812. The city's landmarks are the following: Gwinnett History Museum, Coolray Field, Sugarloaf Parkway, Tribble Mill Park, Aurora Theater, Veterans War Museum. You can likewise explore the Gwinnett Historic Courthouse property, which are located in historic downtown Lawrenceville. It allows private rentals and special activities. The city has plenty of possibilities to enjoy it. It has excellent restaurant options, sensational art galleries, one-of-a-kind shops, and remarkable public schools. Contact us for a free consultation and to discuss our budget-friendly prices on carpet cleaning in Lawrenceville or the surrounding locations. Call us at 678-818-5698 or visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Lawrenceville-GA.